Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new, welcome. Now today's do-it-yourself video is a DIY Glam Tablescape. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this tablescape started. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Radia. Radia is a seller on Amazon. They reached out to me to sponsor this electronic candle lighter. You heard me right, you guys, an electronic candle lighter. Now, as you can see, the package came like this, and it's very small. You guys, you will love this. But this electronic candle lighter mainly features this lighter can heat things at a high temperature in a short amount of time. It's made of zinc alloy. It's very durable and fast to cool down after use. As you can see here, I'm taking it out of the package, you guys. It also has a USB cable included for your convenience, and you can plug this into any USB charger. And one charge should last more than 1 hour's use. And at the back, it does have a safety light, as you see me here. You see I'm just plugging it in for you guys. Now, to use this electronic lighter, you guys, once you pushes the button and you see it turns blue, that's this safety feature letting you know you're now ready to use the lighter. You see with it off, it doesn't come on. So you push the button, it lights blue. Again, amazing safety feature. And then once you push your thing, as you can see here, it lights. And I'm going to show you a different angle of the light as well. Off, it doesn't work. On, and it does. You guys, make sure you do pick up a few of these amazing electronic lighters. They do have them in different colors. And to you guys, I will be dropping my discount code down in the description for this one. Here's this item here as well. That link is also in the description box, and also the US Amazon link and the UK Amazon link as well. Now they do have it on sale right now. You get 20% off with my code RIDER1060. Please make sure you do click that link, you guys, and check this fabulous electronic lighter out. I promise you, this is great for all you people that's into prepping. You can put this in your bug out bag. You can use it really for everyday use, but it is a great feature. Once again, it normally takes about 2 hours to fully charge, but once you charge it, you guys, you got a 1 hour use out of it total time. So you got some usage out of this light. It's very sleek, it's very elegant, and I chose the rose gold. And that safety feature is none other. Thank you, Radia, for reaching out to me. Now, you guys, we're going to jump right into this tablescape. And to you guys, all the sponsored items I'm using in this video, I will include those linked down in my description box. You do know, every time I do set a table, 90% of the time I am using Total Dazzle napkin rings. The Total Dazzle link is down in my description box, so please check out that link so you can snag you some amazing table decor. And if you are a DIY creator, as your girl is, you'll also find some brooches and some bling wrap and other accessories that you can utilize to make some fantastic glam high-end do-it-yourself pieces. And here you guys, I'm just giving you a close-up and a detailed look on how I style each of my plate setting here on this tablescape. Now you've been following me for a while. You know I normally style the heads of my table a little bit different, but on this one I've done the same thing. To every one of my links for items that I'll be using is down in that description box. Please click on those links. It will save you a few coins, and it costs you nothing extra using my links, you guys. I'll just receive a small commission if you do. And now you guys, we're getting ready to do our centerpiece. I'm going to layer in these smoke gray clear vases. Also too, you guys, I did delete a portion of the clip when I put all of my floors and my foliage, that is, in the centerpiece. Drop me a comment down in the comment section if you're liking this tablescape. As you can see, I am a true silver lover at heart, and you say I'm coming back to my roots. You guys, make sure you stay tuned for all of the surprises that we're going to be showing you for this fall 2022 season. And I do hope you love the completed reveal of this do-it-yourself, glamorous, high-end, silver, gray, and white tablescape. And to you guys, I always include the channel banners at the end of the video, so you'll know every channel that is associated with the Glam Queen brand. Thank you for your faithful, loyal love and support. None of this will be possible without you. And once again, I do hope this tablescape truly inspired you. And if you're still watching and you're not part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice. It then turns blue. Then you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. We do upload here on Sundays, Mondays, Sundays Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, you guys. And we do have content on other days for collaboration as well. But we are approaching Vlogtober, so be expecting to see a video every single day, you guys, throughout the month of October and November. Alright, now don't forget to subscribe to all of the Glam Queen branded channels. That is the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.